So hey you guys, I am back. It's your girl Barbie Doll Daj, and if you are new here or if you are a returning viewer, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check your girl Instagram out, Barbie Doll Daj on Insta. As you see by today's title, we are making custom business treats. So yes, about 3 months ago, I received an email from a company and they wanted me to come speak to their girls. So I decided to get them some custom treats, some custom waters and chips and Motts and juicy fruits and things like that in that nature. So basically I went to go teach a class, and I wanted to, give it a vibe of just being a brand and marketing and teaching them how to be a business owner, how to present yourself, basically the whole 9 yards. So I gave them a lot of information on how to be a business owner and be confident in who you are. So I wanted to show you guys how I made my custom treats. I will insert a picture of the ending of how everything turned out so perfect for me, but I also just thought it was pretty cool to show you guys, how you can be a brand, how you can put your own label on your brand. And honestly, I haven't seen a clothing brand do anything like this, like label custom treats or waters or juices. I haven't seen them really stamp their name on it yet, so we're gonna see how it goes. So as a fashion brand, I decided to, step it up a level. And I will show you guys a couple things that I created myself. Here is an example of my custom Deja Vu bottle of water. And this is what I took to the girls and presented them. So today we're making bottles of water, and we're making some chips, and we're going to be making juicy fruit. So I'm super excited about today's video. This project was super fun. So without further ado, if you want to do this video with me, you can go grab you some chips, you can go grab some tools so that you can participate and create your own treat and shit and change the game, because that's what we doing, and that's exactly what I did. So jump right into today's video. Hey guys, so here I'm just getting my design from Canva, and I'm just making a duplicate so that I can get more than one design actually on my picture or on the paper, so that I could cut out 2 on one sheet instead of wasting the whole sheet. So this is what it looks like, when I printed it off, and yeah, I got 2 on the paper. So after you grab your paper, just grab you some scissors so that you can cut everything out, and also grab your party treats. So you can use Rice Krispie treats, bottles of water, chips, fruit snacks. You can do any type of treat you want, but here are my labels for my treats. I'm just showing you guys all of my labels and basically how they turned out. So basically you just wrap your label around the treat and you hot glue it together. It's real simple. It's nothing too hard. Like, it's easy as pie. So the labels are kind of like a brochure. So if you know how a brochure paper looks like, it's 3 sections. So you basically section your Rice Krispie treats off in 3 sections of your label and glue it together. Yeah, this is a super fun, creative activity. So I suggest, if you are interested in doing party trees or party decorations and things like that, or if you have classes that you want to teach, you don't have to pay nobody, girl. You can literally do this shit yourself, and it's so easy. And that's how my custom tree turned out, y'all. It was so cute. So I went for the Barbie doll style, period, because it's the Barbie doll gang over here. It's the Barbie doll world. So I custom designed all of these. And it definitely was a process, and it can get a little messy. So I suggest, just clean up as you go, because cutting all them strips child, paper gonna be everywhere, and I just ain't have time. So after you fold everything, just cut the ends. So I'm using my zigzag scissors, and to give it that treat front, like the style, I just folded it in because I didn't have the bag roller or the chip bag roller to give it that chip bag crease. So I just folded it myself, and now I'm just cutting all these Rice Krispie treats and getting everything prepared for my class. And y'all, I used a hot glue gun. It's simple, it's easy. I'm not finna be doing all of that, y'all, and it just came out so perfect. So yeah, I really enjoyed this project, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. And now we have our custom trees. That is so cute, y'all. And this was my first try. I can't believe they came out so perfect, y'all. And I took these to the girls from my class. They was so happy. They was like, oh my God, it's so cute. And I got my picture and stuff. Yes, fabulous. Look at the bar. Look at the vibe. It's a Barbie doll world. So now we are finishing up the Rice Krispie treats, and yeah, I'm telling y'all, it was a process. I had 32 girls to speak to, so I had to get it done, and the idea I came up with just came out super cute, and it was a vibe. Like, it really gave Barbie doll world. So I'm glad I did this for the girls, and I'm glad I did this project for myself because it was very peaceful, and it was a vibe. It was a vibe. I really enjoyed this. It was so fun because y'all know I'm a creative person, so it was lit. And my butt taking my time cutting this paper, like, child, speed it up. Child. So now we are moving on to our fruit snacks. And it's basically the same process, y'all. Y'all, it's really not hard. Like, you just fold in the paper, hot glue in it, bend it both sides, and cut it. And you do. Just like that. Yeah. Now we're moving on to the chips. The chips was a little process, but we the ones that's gonna do it when we do it. And I did that. Yeah. Just wait for the ending. Just wait, just wait. Just wait, just wait. Just wait, just wait. Just wait, just wait. Yeah, yeah. Look at that water. Look at that. I ain't never seen no water so sexy before. And yeah, this how everything turned out. It was perfect. Yeah. Real good. Thank you guys for watching. This is how everything turned out. So perfect.